You are one messy child.
You're a classic.
One messy child. Grandma, do you want to tape him for a little bit?
Sure.
Is that good cake there, Tyler? Sure looks good to me.
Take this off before I come over to start trying to clean them up a little bit.
Says, what do you mean, clean me up? He's gonna get it in his eyes, honey.
Okay, sweetie. Let's see if we can get some of this off your hands.
What are you doing? Now are you being so silly? 1 year old today. What time was he born exactly?
8:24 p.m. California Pacific time. That's why I took my sweatshirt off.
Toka 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 toka. Toka 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 toka.
Things going.
Toka 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 toka.
He is a mess. Can I see your hand, please? Faker.
That's fake. That's fake stuff.
You're a faker.
Yeah, we don't buy into that crap.
Faker, belly acre.
Oh, my kid,
Got it in
yeah.
your eyes and everything. Good grief.
I like to eat cake.
Where'd you learn to eat cake?
I'm a cake
He
eater.
hasn't quite learned yet.
Says I'm going to practice. Every year I'm going to practice.
Well, I hope by the time he's 21.
Yeah, he's like most 21-year-olds on their 21st birthday, he'll probably be reduced back to this again.
Yeah, you're right.
Scott.
I know, sweetie.
Caramel brownie fudge.
And it's light.
Oh, heck, what are you going on?
How do I turn this off?
Hit the red button.
Have we got enough footage?
Yeah. We're recording, Auntie.